Hello students, in previous lecture we learned word problems. Now let's continue with the same concept. Till previous lecture we finished up to question number 6. Now let's start with the question number 7. From amongst 2000 literate individuals of a town, 70% read Marathi newspaper, 50% read English newspapers, and 32.5% read both Marathi and English newspapers. Find the number of individuals who read. First question, at least one of the newspaper. Second question, neither Marathi nor English newspaper. And third question, only one of the newspapers. Now, here we start with the answer. Total number of literate people, that is n of x, is equal to, see here 2000 is given, so here we write 2000. Now number of people who read Marathi newspaper, this NP means newspaper, so n of m is equal to, we have given in the form of percentage, so 70% of the entire literate peoples, that means 70% of 2000. So we will calculate this first. So 70 upon 100 into 2000. Now here this 20 gets cancelled with this 20 of 100. Remaining terms we will multiply. So we have 1400 as the number of people who read Marathi newspaper. Now number of people who read English newspaper denoted by n of e, and the percentage given as 50%. So 50% of 2000, that we will calculate 50 upon 100 into 2000. Again here also 20 of 2000 gets cancelled with the 20 of 100, and the remaining terms we will multiply. So we have 1000 as n of e. Now n of m intersection e means the people who read Marathi as well as English newspaper. So that is 32.5%. So 32.5% of 2000, that we will calculate. So since here 32.5 is given, so we write 325 upon 10, because there is one decimal point, into the 100 which we used to calculate for the percentage, and into 2000. Now here this 30 gets cancelled with this 30 of 2000, and we get the answer as 650. Now we first answer for the first one, at least one of the newspaper. At least one means we can say Marathi or English. So that means we require the answer for n of m union e, and we know the formula for this, that is equal to n of m plus n of e minus n of m intersection e, and here we have the values for all these three. So by substituting the values here, we will get 1400 plus 1000 minus 650. So we have 2400 as the addition of first two numbers, minus 650, that is equal to 1750. That is the answer for the first question. Now we require the answer for the second, that is neither Marathi nor English. So people who read at least one newspaper, that is equal to 1750, that we have calculated. Now neither Marathi nor English, that means we require the complement of m union e, and we know for finding the complement we subtract the number from the entire universal set. That means here n of m union e complement is equal to n of x minus n of m union e. So 2000 minus 1750, so answer is 250. That means the number of people who read neither Marathi nor English newspaper is equal to 250. And now we require the answer for the third part, that is number of people only one of the newspaper. Here we consider the possibilities. Only one of the newspaper means the people who read Marathi and they does not read English, or we can say they read English and they does not read the Marathi. So here we have n of m minus n of m intersection e plus n of e minus n of m intersection e. See, here we have the formula. Since we require the formula for n of m intersection e dash, that we can calculate by shifting this second term to that side. So we will get n of m minus n of m intersection e. Similarly, in this case also, by shifting this term to the right hand side, we will get the formula for this one. And substituting the values here and calculating, we have the answer 1100, as the people who read only one of the newspaper, means either Marathi or English. Now question number 8. A college awarded 38 medals in volleyball, 15 in football and 20 in basketball. The medals awarded to the total of 58 players, and only 3 players got medals in all 3 sports. How many received medals in exactly 2 of the 3 sports? So here we consider capital A, which denotes the college awarded medals in volleyball, B for the football and C for the basketball. Now according to the condition given in the question, we have number of elements for the volleyball, that is n of A is equal to 38, n of B is equal to 15 and n of C is equal to 20. And further information is given as n of A union B union C is equal to 58, because the medals awarded to total of 58 players and 3 players got medal in all, so n of A intersection B intersection C is equal to 3. Now suppose we consider the Venn diagram, 3 sets A, B, C for volleyball, then for football and basketball. And here we have considered the intersection, that as A, B, C, and intersection of all the 3 as D. So here we will use the formula n of A union B union C. So that will be n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus n of A intersection B minus n of A intersection C minus n of B intersection C plus n of intersection of all 3, A intersection B intersection C. This is the formula which we are going to use to calculate this. Now substituting the values which we known to us. So 58 is equal to 38 plus 15 plus 20 minus, we don't know the values of these 3, so that we will keep as it is, and the value for this is 3. Now calculating all these numbers, we will get an answer as 76 minus these 3 terms. Now everywhere we have minus sign for these 3 terms, so if we take minus common, then we will get the 3 terms in bracket in the form of addition. Now shifting this 76 to that side, that will become minus, and calculating this we will get minus 18 is equal to minus of these 3 numbers. So minus minus gets cancelled, so we have 18 is equal to these 3 terms. Now as we know, the intersection of A and B is given by A plus D. Similarly, the intersection of A and C is given by B plus D, and intersection of B and C is given by C plus D. So at the place of these 3, we substitute the values, we get this is equal to 18. And now here we have D 3 times, so A plus B plus C plus 3D is equal to 18. But we know the value for D, that means the intersection of all these 3, A intersection B intersection C, that is D, and the value of D is 3. So substituting that value of D here, we get 3 3s are 9, and 18 minus 9 to the right hand side we get 9. So A plus B plus C is equal to 9. So we can say that the 9 students received medals in exactly 2 of the 3 sports, because everywhere we have considered this ABC uh, as the intersection of 2 sets. So we can say that student receive medal in exactly 2 of the 3 sports. Now let's continue with the one more question. Question number 9. In a hostel, 25 students take tea, 20 students take coffee, 15 students take milk, and 10 students take both tea and coffee. 8 students take both milk and coffee. None of them take tea and milk. Both and everyone takes at least one beverage. Find the total number of students in the hostel. Now since here the information about tea, coffee and milk is given, we consider capital T as the students who take tea, capital C as the students who take coffee, and capital M as the students who take milk. Now according to the condition given, we have the values for n of t is equal to 25, n of c is equal to 20, n of m is equal to 15. Then intersection, that means students who take both tea and coffee, milk and coffee, like this. So we have n of t intersection c is equal to 10, n of m intersection c is equal to 8, and since we have given that none of them take tea and milk both, so n of t intersection m is equal to 0, because